Well, greetings and salutations, test takers. This is Series 7 Guru coming to you from my off-grid studio, getting our kicks on historic Route 66 with an explication request. If you have an explication request, like this test taker, just email it to explication request at Series 7 Guru at guruexamprep.com. Or excuse me, either one will work, or explication request at guruexamprep.com. This is a Kaplan QID 1559599. If you don't have a Kaplan Q Bank, I highly recommend it. I'll help you with any explication request, but it's easier if it's Kaplan because you can just give me the QID and I can bring it up backstage. If you don't have a Kaplan Q Bank, I highly recommend it. With my Guru 15 discount code at checkout, you can get over 3,600 performance opportunities practice questions. And if you use that Guru 15 discount code, you also get access to my free office hours. I will link to the free office hour for those of you who might want to buy a Kaplan Q Bank as a paid supplement. For that commercial, Kaplan allows me to give you a free look at Kaplan content like this. Beware of breakpoint sales with Kaplan. I know that there's a lot of people, including Ken Fennan, who are, hijacking the LPL discount code, which is also 15%. But please note, it doesn't come with access to my free office hours. And it's only supposed to be used by LPL employees, even associated persons. Even if you're an LPL associated person, you'd still be better served to use my Guru 15 discount code and get that free office hour. I charge $425 an hour for tutoring, and if you're in the office hours, just you end up with a free hour of tutoring. All right, let's get going on this question. First point is don't overdose on margin. Maybe three, four questions on your Series 7. They're much more linear. They're less difficult than what test prep vendors typically provide. I will link to a video called Don't Overdose on Margin. I have a margin lecture. I have margin class replays. I have all kinds of margin practice questions like this. You could put margin in the channel search bar and dozens of videos will magically appear. Okay, let's get this one. This is about a mixed account. This is somebody who both has borrowed money from the broker dealer and has borrowed securities from the broker dealer. So it says here one of your clients has a margin account with the following balances: long market value $50,000, debit balance of $24,000. So we have $50,000 of the broker dealer in collateral, and that's supporting a $24,000 loan. We have a customer who owes securities presently valued at $40,000 and has cash in the account $65,000. That's where most people get hung. But where did that cash come from? The cash came from selling the securities you didn't own, plus the 50% you initially had to deposit. I would definitely know the classical margin equation. I'd be able to do the initial setup. So let's do the initial setup. The classical margin equation long is long market value minus debit equals equity. I got to think of the best analogy as a house. Market value of the house minus debit on the house equals equity in the house. Oh, looks like Dean has a typo there. That should be 26,000, not 24,000. Oh, well, it doesn't have anything to do with answering the question. All right, so let's see, 65,000 minus 40,000. Let's see if Dean gets this math right. I think I got that math right. I'm arithmetically challenged, so if anybody offers me a calculator, I say thank you very much. All right, so now be careful. This is where I find most test takers miss questions like this. Be careful, RTFQ. You're not being asked what is minimum maintenance on this account. That's not what you're being asked. If you were being asked what is minimum maintenance, it would be 25% of the long market value, 12.5, and 30% of the 12,000. This is asking a different question. It's asking when are you going to be at maintenance, right? So if my customer says, Dean, what is market value at maintenance on this margin account, my margin account? And I say, well, 12.5 on your long account, 25% of 50, and 12,000 on the 40, you know. He says, well, yeah, I didn't ask you what is minimum maintenance. I asked how far down my account could go on the long side, how far up it can go on the short side before I got a problem. I said, well, gee, why are you sending out negative vibes like that? So I think that's probably where this test taker was struggling. This question is not about minimum maintenance. It's about market value at maintenance. Two formulas I suggest you can practice, drill, and rehearse to determine market value at maintenance. The formula long is the debit register, what you owe the brokerage firm, debit register, debit balance, by 0.75. And market value maintenance short is the credit by 1.3. These are two formulas I would indeed know in terms of my Series 7. I wouldn't be struggling around how to do it. Okay, so now we can answer the question. We take the debit balance of 24,000, we divide by 0.75, and the answer is 32,000 long. When you're at $32,000 long, we do it short, 65,000 divided by 1.3, and we find out the answer to the question is when your long market value goes to 32 and your short market value goes to 50. So that is the answer to the question. And to be honest with you, we could do this as a combined thing and say 82 combined, but that wasn't the question. All right, so I hope you found that helpful. What would I know about? There's a couple takeaways here that I would know as a test taker as it relates to margin, as it relates to this kind of setup. I would definitely know the classical margin equation long. Let me get on my boom. Long market value minus debit equals equity because we got to be able to do the initial setup, right? And as I said, I understand there's a typo there. That should be 26. I would know the classical equation short because, a lot of times we got to do initial setup and then a mark to market. I would also know what is maintenance. House requirements going to always be more stringent, but I would know that minimum maintenance long is 25%. Minimum maintenance short is 30%. Definitely would know that. And I would definitely know these two formulas here that we just discussed, market value maintenance. As I always say, RTFQ. Read the full question. Answer the question you're being asked, not the question you think is there. This question isn't what is minimum maintenance on this account. This question is what is market value at maintenance? Okay, so I hope you found that helpful. Remember, inch by inch, margin is a cinch. Yard by yard, margin is hard. If you don't have a Kaplan Q Bank, go get one. Use Guru 15. I'll put the link for the free office hour for those of you who use the Guru 15 discount code. Remember, inch by inch, margin is a cinch. Yard by yard, margin is hard.